You can see that he's walking like a soldier. He's not about to fall. Very gallant.
You know, stop. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I think we have sat long enough. We are fasting. Let me start with the speech of the chairman of NNPP. That speech has actually captured all the challenges we are facing in this country. I never thought anybody would be asked to make any remarks after listening to that speech. But let me say or advise that the speech delivered by the chairman of NNPP be sent to all the embassies, particularly the Western democratic embassies in this country, as the position of the Nigerian opposition political parties. And again, what you must bear in mind is that the collapse of democracy in Nigeria is going to lead to the collapse of democracy in Africa, because we are the largest democracy in Africa. These are some of the consequences that will definitely affect other democracies in Africa. So I will urge that, or I will call other opposition parties that are not here today to make sure that they are part of this movement of the unity of the opposition parties to ensure we restore our democracy. But with a note of caution, you see, we did this exercise in 2014. Not so. We came together and formed APC because we felt democracy was faulting in 2014. Only for us to end up at the same position we found ourselves in 2014. If worse. Because 2014, the major challenges was insecurity here and there, economy, and so on and so forth. Now it is even worse than what we fought in 2014. So we must have that in mind, that in the event, and we must succeed to make sure that we restore true democracy to our country. That was what we fought for. That was what, the founders of this country fought for. And we fought the military for that. And we must make sure that that is established in this country. So I want to thank particularly our speaker today for highlighting the various challenges facing our democracy in this country, from legislative to security to political parties to elections and so on and so forth. I thank you very much indeed for giving me this opportunity, to make a few remarks.
That was the voice of an elder statesman, the voice of wisdom. Having listened